Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. This is the second part of me carving my Tanuki. I've got my rotary drill out today, my Dremel, and I'm gonna start carving all the detail into this. There's a long way to go on it, so I'm just gonna get going. Right guys, so that's the majority of the carving done. There is a little bit more to do, but I want to concentrate on the trees now. They've been sitting in a bucket of water now for roughly a week. It's time to get them out of that water, at least for a little while, put them in some soil. But first I have to cut off the tap roots and sort out any roots that are going to be kept. So let's get on with that.
I just bought a new whip, spent a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really trying to change.
Right guys, so we're on to the next bit. We need to channel out the lines in the wood for the tree to sit in nice and snug. It's going to be quite long, this part, but I'm going to give you a detailed look at what I'm actually doing to the Tanuki. It has to be right, and I've taken some advice actually from Ryan from Horton Bonsai, and he's given me a few little tips and a few little pointers of what I should be doing. So I've taken his advice, and we're going to really try and make this Tanuki the best we possibly can. And I'm going to give you a real detailed look now, so let's get on.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under the stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
Right, there you go guys. So that's the carving video done, or the carving lesson I should say. All 5 channels are carved in now. I'm going to take a little bit of advice from Ryan again. I'm going to ask him a couple of questions. I think I might have to put another couple of trees in here just to make sure that all the trees end up touching. But I'll take some advice on that, like I said. Next video, we're going to sort the pot out, put it in the pot, and put the trees on, and attach the trees. Maybe 1 or 2 more trees on it, but we need to attach the trees next. So next video will be the final video. So as ever, please like and subscribe and follow this creation and follow my videos throughout the years, and I'll see you soon. Cheers guys.